have a friend. Yeah, friend. A good friend. And he has a bit of a problem. When we are playing Dawn of War, it's all fun and games until he realizes he is about to lose. And when he reaches that point, he's foaming out the mouth, banging on the desk, he's got all these fluids coming out of his face, some of which he has never seen before. Well, that's what I imagine at least. You see, we strictly communicate with audio, so all I can really confirm is the violent abuse of the desk. And following this onslaught, our once semi-peaceful game of Dawn of War devolves into insults, bargaining, and even swearing. And he always ends up angrily logging off for the night, so consumed with rage that he doesn't even rub one out before going to bed. I imagine, of course, again, we only communicate over Discord, so wait, it seems my friend fails to understand that Dawn of War is a gentleman's game. So being the good Samaritan that I am, I took it upon myself to help my friend out. I need to enforce friendly competition and honorable sportsmanship, and the only logical way to enforce such a gentlemanly gamer space is to write some software that makes everyone speak like a gentleman. Or else.
When we were playing Men of War, the haircut.
For the glory of the Imperium.
Oh, get his willy on the table. We're gonna make him Jewish.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a slur. Oh no! No!
That's a racial slur. Canada is a racial slur.
No! My guardsman. Alright, here's the plan. Write a Python script that listens to the mic and uses an AI API to turn the audio feed into text, which I can then scan for words that displease me. And then I have to find some way to make this script interact with the game. To do this, I am going to make a Dawn of War mod. The game has been out for 18 years, so there's probably tons of information out there, so I don't think it will be too hard to throw something together. The first steps are easy. All I have to do is give the kind AI people $10 and they will handle all of my live speech to text needs. Now I have a script that prints out every word I say. Once I add lists of common complaints, bad words, really bad words, and super bad words, then scan the outputted sentence for any occurrences, this script turns into an invasion of privacy. But it's not an invasion of privacy with a purpose yet. Now for the hard part. I have to find out how to make this script interact with the game. Dawn of War uses an in-house scripting language called Scar, which is a modified version of the popular scripting language Lua. And every Relic game from this era uses this language to write the AI, the story missions, map events, etc. The problem with Scar is that there is very little information about Scar out on the web, and the old Relic modding forum has been down for a while. But with some help from the kind devs of the Unification mod and the Scar doc included within the Relic modding tools, I figured out how to make notifications appear in-game. And this is when I discovered a bigger problem. You can't use any of the standard Lua libraries in Scar, which means we can't read any data from that Python script we wrote earlier, at least not in a conventional way. At this point, I was just desperately trying stuff out, and I found that I was left with one last option. In Scar, you can create squad groups, and you can assign hotkeys to these squad groups. So theoretically, it didn't work. At this point in the project, I was feeling pretty defeated. My magnum opus, playing Dawn of War, but you can't say any bad words, wasn't going to be realized. An idea the likes of which only appear once every 50 years. An idea which evokes warm, fuzzy memories of elementary school, specifically the time you watched the kid get dragged out of the computer lab, screaming, because he named a character in the Oregon Trail Fuck Man. Let's be honest here, folks. The world was about to be robbed, but I already spent $10 on API access, and I would never let $10 go to waste, or my name isn't BigYous, damn it. We are going to compromise. And compromise I did. Instead of doing a Dawn of War mod, I decided to use the existing Dawn of War hotkeys to make a few penalties for foul language. If you whine or complain, you can't control any of your units. If you say a bad word or a really bad word, every unit you select will be deleted. And if you say any form of the N-word, this happens.
You have committed a hate crime.
Good day, everyone. My name is Daryl Wingsu.
All the punishments last for 10 seconds per offense. For example, if you curse twice in a sentence, that means for 20 seconds, every unit you select will be deleted. I then added a little announcer and ticking timer sound for a quality of life. Now, all that was left to do was build an executable file and send it to my friends. The first hurdle in deployment was Windows thinking that my cool, awesome program that monitors your microphone and presses keys on your keyboard was some sort of virus. Couldn't tell you why, but after some gaslighting and repeatedly asking my friends, "Do you trust me? Are we actually friends?" Eventually, we got it sorted out and we were gaming. So, here are the highlights.
Yeah, it's people.
Matt, can you just fuck off?
Oh,
You have committed 1 count of foul language.
No! No! No!
Takes time.
They come out of the fucking ground.
Man, your squid
You have committed 1 count of foul language.
No! No, not my... No! My... I curse. Oh.
he won't.
Found the way to artillery.
Yeah, I knew you were gonna do it. What?
I'm sorry.
Why do you nuke the guardsman? That's not funny.
This here gun is rubbish.
Quit whining.
Oh! You think your Tactimaries are better than my guardsman squad? You nuked my guardsman! He just keeps spamming nukes. I hate these so much. Oh no.
Quit whining.
Oh, guys, the bot. My account got suspended. I spent. We used all the time that I had.
Oh, dope.
Should I
Get
put
in
more
here,
money into it?
Not right now, no. Let's
I'll
have
put
a game
I'll
where
put
I can fucking
$5
curse.
in.
Fuck. We can curse now.
I'm
Fuck.
putting-
Yes. Fuck. Yes. Fuck. Yes. Fuck.
I believe we all learned a valuable lesson about censorship and surveillance today. While people may say things you don't want them to say, forcing them to stop saying those things won't change what they think or feel. They will just sit there and silently resent you. Instead of changing my friends for the better, I ended up bringing out the worst in them. If you can't show your anger through your words, you will show it by using scumbag, vulture, piece of shit tactics. This project was a failure, and I now owe Assembly AI $3.15. I am now at rock bottom. As a wise man once said, like, comment, subscribe. I don't know how I'm going to get myself out of this hole.
You show that Schwab thing.
As you wish.
Or you pull that Schwabadink around my daughter. You pull
Hey,
that
you-
Schwabadink around my daughter.
At your service.
If you even dare pull out your
Saddle
gabagool
up.
sound of the Schwabador, I swear.
Saddle up.